Live Oak Bank Business Savings Review 2025. Worth it or leave it? If you're running a business in 2025, managing your company's savings efficiently is more important than ever. High-yield accounts, digital convenience, and reliable customer support are no longer optional, they're essential. One option that has been attracting attention is Live Oak Bank Business Savings. But is it truly worth your time and money, or should you look elsewhere? Today, we're going to break down everything you need to know about Live Oak Bank Business Savings, from features and benefits to potential drawbacks, and help you decide whether it's the right fit for your business. Let's start with the basics. Live Oak Bank Business Savings is a savings account specifically designed for businesses. Unlike personal savings accounts, it focuses on offering competitive interest rates, easy access to funds, and the tools businesses need to manage cash effectively. The bank prides itself on providing a digital-first experience, which is ideal for modern businesses that want efficient, paperless banking. Opening an account is straightforward. You can complete the application online, provide your business documentation, and fund the account via ACH transfer or wire. The process is simple and fast, and you don't need to visit a physical branch. This is particularly beneficial for small business owners or entrepreneurs who have limited time and want a seamless setup. One of the main draws of Live Oak Bank Business Savings is the interest rate. In 2025, the account continues to offer one of the higher APYs in the business savings market. For companies with significant cash reserves, this can translate into meaningful earnings. For example, a business maintaining a $100,000 balance could earn several $1,000s annually in interest alone, depending on the current rate. This is far superior to traditional business savings accounts at larger banks, which often offer near zero interest. Most businesses overlook the importance of a high-yield savings account. Even a small difference in interest can add up over time, especially when combined with regular deposits. Live Oak Bank allows your business money to work harder, generating revenue passively, while staying liquid and accessible for operational needs. For businesses with seasonal income fluctuations, a high-yield savings account can serve as a buffer during slow periods. Another advantage is the account's fee structure. Live Oak Bank Business Savings has minimal fees. There are no monthly maintenance fees if certain conditions are met, and there are no hidden charges for standard account activities. For businesses that are cost-conscious, avoiding unnecessary banking fees can save hundreds or even thousands of dollars each year. Additionally, the bank supports free ACH transfers, making it easier to move funds between accounts without incurring costly fees. Digital tools are another strong point. Live Oak Bank offers an online portal and mobile app that allow you to monitor balances, track deposits, and manage transfers conveniently. The platform includes transaction reporting features that are helpful for accounting purposes, enabling you to categorize income and expenses for easier bookkeeping. Some business owners even integrate these tools with their accounting software, creating a seamless workflow that saves time and reduces errors. Security is critical for business accounts, and Live Oak Bank doesn't disappoint. Funds are FDIC insured up to $250,000 per depositor, giving peace of mind that your money is safe. Additionally, the bank employs advanced encryption, multi-factor authentication, and secure account alerts to protect against unauthorized access. Businesses, especially those handling client funds or large transactions, need these protections to mitigate risks of digital theft or fraud. While there are many positives, it's important to consider some potential drawbacks. Live Oak Bank operates primarily online, so businesses that prefer in-person banking or need frequent cash deposits may find this challenging. While ACH transfers, wire transfers, and check deposits are supported, there is no extensive branch network, which could be inconvenient for companies with physical cash needs. Another consideration is the minimum balance requirements to earn the advertised APY. To take full advantage of the high interest rate, businesses often need to maintain a certain threshold. Companies with fluctuating balances or smaller reserves may find it difficult to consistently meet these requirements, resulting in lower returns. It's important to understand these terms before opening an account to ensure you can maximize the benefits. Let's look at some real-world examples. Consider a small tech startup that keeps a steady balance of $75,000 in its business savings. By utilizing Live Oak Bank's high-yield account, the company earns interest comparable to what they would get from a short-term investment account, while still keeping funds liquid for payroll, software subscriptions, or emergency expenses. Over a year, the interest earned can be reinvested into the business, fueling growth without taking on additional risk. Contrast this with a retail business that frequently deposits cash from daily sales. Since Live Oak Bank doesn't offer physical branches for deposits, the business might face logistical challenges. They would need to use remote deposit options, which might not be as efficient for large volumes of cash. In this scenario, a hybrid approach using both a traditional local bank and Live Oak Bank's high-yield account for excess funds could make more sense. Customer service is another area to consider. Live Oak Bank provides support through phone, secure messaging, and email. While not in person, the representatives are generally knowledgeable about business accounts, interest rates, and digital banking tools. Response times are typically fast, though complex inquiries that require detailed documentation may take longer. For tech-savvy businesses comfortable with online communication, this level of support is sufficient. Additionally, Live Oak Bank Business Savings integrates well with other financial services offered by the bank. For example, businesses that use Live Oak Bank for loans, lines of credit, or other deposit accounts can benefit from consolidated account management. This integration simplifies banking operations and provides a clearer view of cash flow, helping business owners make smarter financial decisions. Another feature worth mentioning is the automated tools for managing funds. You can set up recurring transfers, schedule automatic deposits, and receive notifications for balance thresholds. These tools are particularly useful for maintaining an optimal balance, to maximize interest earnings, or to ensure funds are available for scheduled expenses. Automation reduces the administrative burden on business owners, allowing them to focus on core operations. Interest compounding is another key benefit. Live Oak Bank compounds interest daily and credits it monthly, which means your business earns interest on interest throughout the month. Over time, this compounding can significantly increase total returns, especially for businesses that maintain higher balances. Now let's discuss who should consider Live Oak Bank Business Savings. It's ideal for businesses that want to earn competitive interest on reserves without sacrificing liquidity. Companies that operate digitally don't rely heavily on physical branch access and can maintain the minimum balance to earn the advertised APY will find this account highly advantageous. Startups, small businesses, and even some mid-sized companies can benefit from the high-yield savings features, using the account as a cash management tool while keeping operational funds accessible. On the other hand, businesses that rely on frequent cash deposits or require in-person banking for regular operations may find limitations. For them, a combination of traditional banking for operational needs and Live Oak Bank for excess reserves may be the most effective strategy. In terms of market positioning, Live Oak Bank stands out in 2025 because it continues to offer above-average interest rates and digital-first convenience at a low cost. Many traditional banks have not caught up to this model, leaving an opportunity for businesses to earn more on their cash reserves without the overhead of a conventional banking relationship. To summarize, Live Oak Bank Business Savings provides a high-yield, low-fee, digital-first option for businesses looking to optimize their cash reserves. Its main strengths include competitive interest rates, minimal fees, FTIC insurance, and robust digital tools. Potential drawbacks include limited in-person services and minimum balance requirements to earn the advertised APY. The bottom line is that for businesses comfortable with online banking and looking to earn meaningful interest on their savings, Live Oak Bank Business Savings is a compelling option in 2025. It combines convenience, growth potential, and security in a way that few other business savings accounts can match. While it may not be ideal for every company, particularly those handling large volumes of cash, for many small to mid-sized businesses, it represents a smart, financially savvy choice. In conclusion, Live Oak Bank Business Savings is more than just a place to park your business funds. It's a tool for growth and financial efficiency. With its high-yield interest, digital management tools, and secure platform, it allows businesses to make their money work harder while keeping operations simple. If you're looking for a modern, efficient, and rewarding business savings account in 2025, Live Oak Bank is absolutely worth considering.